Jesus, you are my strength in unfamiliar places. When my life feels like borrowed land, and my heart is far from comfort, when fear demands my bow, I choose to whisper your name instead. Jesus, when the night grows loud and the shadows threaten to consume